In continuous endeavour to promote tourism in Meghalaya, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had launched the tourism vehicles for tour operators and individuals. As part of the scheme, 16 Innova Crysta vehicles were rolled out today, the 30th of June 2023. The luxury vehicles launched are intended to provide high-quality mobility and will enhance the overall experience of the tourists. Speaking to reporters, Conrad Sangma informed that the tourism department had shortlisted 50 individuals and groups from over 600 applicants who had applied for the scheme, while the government is providing a 50% subsidy under the scheme, which includes repayment of loan for the next 2 years. He added that the rolling out of various schemes to promote tourism and providing luxury vehicles to individuals and groups will only add to creating a better ecosystem for the tourism sector.
Life jackets now. All right. First one we have Hill Tribe Adventure Sobar, to be followed by Integrated Village Cooperative Society, followed by Nomads Adventure. Nomads Adventure. Golden Arrow Travels Private Limited. Congratulations, sir. Then we have Pioneer Adventure Tour. Pioneer Adventure Tour.
This is going to be a very dynamic process. Now we gave about 16 vehicles today. We have planned to give 50 in this particular financial year. And God willing, if all goes well, we are able to create the finance that we require. We hope that we'll be able to touch at least about 250 to 300 vehicles in this 5 years term, and hopefully be able to touch even 500 vehicles in the long run. So that's the kind of target that we have. And while we do that, our objective also is to tweak the kind of vehicles we have. We realize it's not just the Innovas that you need. We can give Scorpios, which is going to be slightly more tougher and be able to go off-road. We are looking at mini buses, which we could give, because there are larger groups that come. So maybe buses also will be important. We are thinking very, very, very seriously to introduce electric vehicles. And this will be not just for tourism sector, but even for transportation to Guwahati and to Tura, Shillong sector, where we plan to have EV charging stations in Nongpo, one in the middle of somewhere near Riangdo, Shalang side, and of course in Sora area where the tourism footfall is very high. So we are really working on EV vehicles also, and hopefully within the next couple of months we should be distributing electric vehicles also. I can tell you that 50% of my experience really depends on the behavior and the way the driver who was taking my family around and me around, their behavior and the way they took care of us. 50% of my experience always has been based on how good the behavior of the driver is. It's not about how educated they are or not. It's just about the courtesy and the kind of respect and the kind of care that they show. A simple smile given by the driver every morning when they say good morning to you can really change the way the whole mood of the whole day goes. My daughter walking with the bag and the driver just simply holds that bag saying that, let me hold it for you. These are small things that as a tourist you notice and it impacts you. And I think this kind of a training in this line may be some area that we should examine and try to improve the experience of what a tourist really wants. And based on that, allow the training of our drivers to be done.